Hey, let me speak to you like someone who has lived with the JBL Bar 700MK2 every day, because from the first moment you press play, there's this undeniable shift. Sound stops being background noise and becomes this presence in the room, something you feel and notice every time you sit down to watch, play, or listen. If you re the kind of person who truly values immersive sound, someone who feels when audio is flat versus when it wraps around you, someone who refuses to settle for TV speakers that leave everything feeling dull, this system aligns with that instinct. And before anything changes on pricing or stock, take a moment to check the current availability. You probably knew it was time to upgrade when every action scene from your shows felt lifeless, or dialogues got lost under background noise, or your music playlists just didn't have punch anymore. The day you switch to the Bar 700MK2 with its detachable surround speakers, hearty subwoofer, and Dolby Atmos, the frustration vanishes. You don't just hear sound, you experience it. That emotional relief that washes over you when everything suddenly feels rich, balanced, and intentional, that's real. Once you feel this level of sound performance, you begin to catch details you never noticed before. The explosions and environmental effects feel like they're happening around you. The bass hits with weight rather than thump alone. Voices become clear and easy to follow, even at lower volumes. And every playlist you put on sounds more dynamic and alive than before. Don't wait for some hypothetical future sale or a dip in stock. You'll thank yourself later for making this move sooner rather than turning it into one of those wish I bought it earlier moments. If you're wondering whether detachable speakers and a powerful sub are worth it, here's how it feels in everyday life. The soundstage opens up around you. You place the surrounds where you want them, no cables in the way, and suddenly your space feels larger, more engaging. The surprise benefit is how even casual content becomes more enjoyable. Podcasts feel clearer, sports feel sharper, and movies feel cinematic. Owning this system gives you a sense of pride every time you turn it on. It feels like a decision made by someone who knows what quality sounds like, not just sees it on a spec sheet. The connection between picture and sound feels tighter, your viewing sessions become more memorable, and your room suddenly feels like the place to gather, not just sit. The bass hits with authority without overwhelming. Dialogue stays crisp and intelligible. Surround channels give real dimensionality. Everyday content sounds richer than ever. Setup stays clean and surprisingly simple. The only soft downside is that once you've lived with this level of immersion, basic TV speakers feel painfully flat, and your expectations for future gear go up. At some point, you stop comparing charts and features and choose the system that already feels right for your space and expectations. If the Bar 700MK2 matches the way you want sound to hit and fill your room, check the live price now and make the upgrade before the opportunity slips away.